Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is all about evening party gowns. Evening gowns are the epitome of elegance and sophistication, making any woman feel like a true queen at any event. Whether you are attending a formal gala, a wedding, or a glamorous party, an evening gown is a perfect choice. Let's dive into the world of evening party gowns, exploring various styles, accessorizing tips, and ways to ensure you shine at your next event. For A-line gowns, use an A-line evening gown with a fitted bodice and a flared skirt offering a timeless and flattering look. Pair with classic stiletto heels for an elongated silhouette with elegant drop earrings, a delicate bracelet, and a matching clutch. The silhouette suits almost all body types and provides a graceful feminine look. For mermaid gowns, a mermaid gown that hugs the body and flares out at the knees, creating a dramatic and glamorous effect with high heels to enhance the gown's silhouette. Use statement earrings, a bold cuff bracelet, and a sleek clutch. Perfect for accentuating curves, this style is ideal for making a grand entrance. For ball gowns, a ball gown with a fitted body and a full voluminous skirt embodying a fairy tale like elegance. Use elegant bollet flats to low heels as the gown lengths often hide the shoes. For accessories, a sparkling necklace, sandal earrings, and a jeweled clutch. Best suited for formal events, these gown styles make you feel like royalty. For sheath gowns, a sheath gown with a slim straight silhouette that skims the body's natural lines. Use a strappy sandal or pointed toe pumps for footwear. Simple yet chic jewelry such as stud earrings and a minimalist bracelet can be used as an accessories. This style offers a sleek and modern look, perfect for evening understated glamour. A sequined or embellished evening gown that catches the light with every move. Use metallic heels for added sparkle, a statement necklace, a matching clutch, and a bold, dramatic makeup. Opt for gowns with intricate detailing to stand out on the red carpet. For wedding guest elegance, use a soft, flowy chiffon gown in pastel or jewel tone. Footwear, nude or gold heels, pearl earrings, a delicate bracelet, and a stylish clutch. Choose a gown that complements the wedding theme and is not too overpowering. For gala event opulence, a luxurious silk or satin gown with a long train. Footwear, classic black or metallic heels, diamond or crystal jewelry, sophisticated clutch, and elegant hairpins can be used as an accessories. Embrace opulent fabrics and accessories to create a look of pure sophistication. Use bold statement jewelry to elevate simpler gown. Think oversized earrings or a statement necklace. For gowns with heavy embellishments, keep jewelry minimalistic and chic. Choose a clutch with sequins or jewels to add a touch of glamour. Opt for a classic satin or velvet clutch for a timeless look. Always a classic choice for evening gowns offering elegance and height. If you prefer comfort, choose embellished flats or low heels that still offer a chic look. Add a touch of sparkle to your hairstyle with jeweled hairpins or combos. For a modern twist, try a sleek headband adorned with crystals or pearls. Opt for evening gowns in rich dark colors like burgundy, marl green, or navy. Add a fox fur stole for evening shawl for warmth and style. Closed toe heels or ankle boots. Diamond or crystal jewelry and a matching clutch. Choose gowns with long sleeves or heavier fabrics for added warmth. Choose lightweight fabrics like chiffon or silk in a bright or pastel color. Strappy sandals or open toe heels. Light and delicate jewelry such as gold or silver chains. Opt for breathable fabrics and flowy silhouettes to stay cool and comfortable. Following the care label instructions carefully, often recommended. Dry cleaning for delicate fabrics. Store gowns in garment bags to protect them from dust and damage. Use a steamer to remove wrinkles and maintain the gown's pristine look. Evening party gowns are a stunning addition to any wardrobe, offering endless possibilities for elegance and glamour. Whether you are attending a wedding gala or any formal event, choosing the right gown and accessorizing it perfectly can make you feel like a star. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty for today's video on evening party gowns. From classic A-line and mermaid silhouettes to luxurious fabrics and sparkling accessories, there is an evening gown for every style and occasion. We hope these styling tips and outfits ideas inspired you to find the perfect gown for your next special event. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion inspiration. Let us know in the comment which evening gown look is your favorite and how you plan to style it. Until next time, stay stylish.